Most drivers have no idea what their car is actually capable of. In fact, 9 out of 10 people completely overlook features that are already built into their own vehicle. And here's the scary part. One of these hidden buttons could save you thousands in repair costs if you know how to use it. Yet every day, drivers ignore it or don't even know it exists. So before you waste money on problems your car can already prevent, here are 5 little-known car features almost nobody talks about. Don't skip this video. Feature number 1 alone could save you a lot. Let's start with secret number 5. Walk away. Auto lock. Have you ever walked away from your car, taken a few steps, then suddenly thought, wait, did I lock it? That split second of doubt usually sends you right back. You press the key, you pull the handle, just to be sure. But many modern cars can eliminate that moment completely. Here's why. When your key fob moves out of the car's sensor range, the vehicle can automatically lock itself. No button presses, no second guessing. Some cars even let you choose a short delay, like 30 seconds or 1 full minute, so you still have time to grab something you forgot. And to confirm it worked, certain models flash the lights or play a quick beep to let you know the car is fully secured. Behind the scenes, proximity sensors constantly track how far the key fob is from the vehicle. Once you cross the preset distance, the locking sequence activates automatically. Turning this feature on usually takes just a few taps inside your car's settings or infotainment menu. And here's why this matters. First, it protects your belongings when you're distracted, rushing, or carrying bags. Second, it reduces theft caused by unlocked vehicles, which is more common than most people realize. But most importantly, it gives you peace of mind. No turning around, no double checking, no unnecessary worry. And here's the ironic part. Many drivers already have this feature but go years without using it simply because they never explored the settings. Check your owner's manual. That peace of mind might already be built into your car. And while you're thinking about everyday habits, let me show you another feature, one that could prevent a $3,000 repair the next time you stop for fuel. Secret number 4, the fuel cap holder. This one is so simple you might actually be annoyed you never noticed it. Next time you're at the gas station, open your fuel door. See that tiny notch or hook on the inside? That's not a mistake. It's not broken. And it's definitely not random. It's designed to hold your fuel cap while you're pumping gas. Yep, that's its entire job. And here's why it matters more than you think. Letting your fuel cap hang loose, or worse, placing it on the roof, doesn't just look careless. It can scratch your paint, collect dirt and debris, and allow contaminants to make their way into your fuel system. Over time, that dirt can clog fuel injectors, damage the fuel pump, and, in extreme cases, lead to serious engine problems. That's a repair bill that can easily climb into the thousands, all because of a tiny plastic hook most drivers ignore. And here's the wild part. Almost every car has this feature, yet the majority of drivers never use it. Using it takes 2 seconds, costs nothing, and acts as simple preventative maintenance every time you refuel. Plus, you'll never again drop your gas cap on the ground, lose it under the car, or drive off with it sitting on the roof. Sometimes the smallest features make the biggest difference. If you're getting value from this countdown of hidden car features, now's a great time to hit subscribe. We've got more simple tips coming, and the number 1 feature has saved drivers thousands. You won't want to miss it. Secret number 3, the key fob range trick. Ever been stuck in a huge parking lot, clicking your key fob over and over, hoping your car magically responds? Here's a trick almost nobody knows. And no, your dealership didn't mention it. Your body can actually help boost your key fob signal, specifically your head. Press the key fob against your head while pressing the button, and the signal range can increase dramatically. Sounds crazy, but there's science behind it. The human body contains a large amount of water, and water helps conduct electromagnetic signals. When the fob is near your head, that signal can travel farther than normal. It's one of the simplest, most practical hacks you'll ever use. And while we're talking about key fobs, here's another surprise. Most key fobs hide a physical key inside them. There's usually a small latch or button on the side. Slide it open, and you've got emergency access for when the battery dies or the electronics fail. No apps, no signal, no panic. So next time you're lost in a massive parking lot or your key fob seems useless, this little trick could save you a lot of time and frustration. Sometimes the smartest car features aren't even in the car. Secret number 2. Open your windows with the remote. We've all done it. You open your car door in summer and get hit with a wall of heat, like stepping into an oven on wheels. But here's something most drivers never realize. Your key fob can do more than just unlock doors. On many cars, holding the unlock button for a few seconds will automatically roll down all the windows. Some models use a double press and hold, others require turning it on in the vehicle settings, but the result is the same. Before you even touch the door handle, your car starts releasing trapped hot air. This feature was originally designed for countries where cars sit in direct sunlight for hours. Later, manufacturers quietly added it to many other models, without really advertising it. And here's why it matters. When a car sits in the sun, interior temperatures can skyrocket fast. This feature lets that heat escape immediately, pulling in cooler outside air and making the cabin safer and more comfortable. No apps, no upgrades, no extra hardware. It's completely free and already built into many vehicles. Most drivers never use it simply because no one told them it existed. Secret number 1, color-coded engine parts. Have you ever opened your hood and noticed that some caps are bright yellow or blue, while everything else looks plain and boring? That's not a design choice. It's actually a built-in safety system. Car manufacturers use color coding in the engine bay to show you what you can handle yourself and what should be left to a professional. Those brightly colored caps, yellow, blue, sometimes red, are your safe zones. They mark places where you can add fluids without risking damage or calling a mechanic. The black or gray components, those are hands-off areas. Understanding this simple system can save you hundreds of dollars in unnecessary service fees. And let's be honest, if someone's charging you to top off washer fluid, the problem isn't your car. But this system isn't just about saving money. It's also about preventing expensive mistakes. Pouring the wrong fluid into the wrong reservoir can seriously damage your engine and leave you stranded on the side of the road. Color coding helps stop that from happening. As a general rule, yellow often points to engine oil. Blue usually marks washer fluid or coolant. Red is commonly tied to transmission fluid. Learn these basics, and suddenly the engine bay isn't intimidating anymore, even if you don't know much about cars. So, how many of these did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you the most. If this video helped you avoid expensive mechanic visits or made you realize your car is smarter than you thought, hit subscribe for more simple, money-saving car tips. There are plenty more tricks most drivers never hear about, and the next one might save you even more.